Good morning from the Skyway fishing pier. It's gonna be a good day. I got a feeling it's gonna be a good day, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna do some fishing today. Got my GoPro ready to go. Just gotta put it right about there. And sun's just coming up over the horizon. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a little bright, but it's about right there, coming up over the horizon. So anyway, I'm gonna go catch some bait, and we're gonna try to catch some grouper or whatever else is gonna bite today. So yeah, that's about it. So we'll see you guys shortly. Yeah, that's funny. Ooh, did he get me? Almost. Yeah, boy. Go home with me. Came and murdered that thing. I seen my weight and I seen him sweep up and grab what little bit of shrimp I had on there. Come on now. Here. This guy is, he's about 15 to the fork. All right, guys, sometimes that just happens. Had a shrimp, threw it out, had a couple of taps, thought maybe it went ahead and ate my bait, so I pulled back, nothing on it. As I'm reeling it in, it almost comes up to the surface. I had about probably that much shrimp left on the hook. I just see this dark mass just grabbed it, and it was a 15-inch Spanish mackerel. So he's in the cooler, and I'm probably gonna eat him tonight. I might do a little cooking for you tonight, so we'll see what happens. It is hot. Take a break for a minute. It's kind of slow. Tide's gonna start changing here shortly, so we'll see what happens. I just got thumped. He got thumped pretty hard. Whatever it was, let him go. Ooh, ooh, dang, he just let it go. He just got eaten too. He just got dropped. Oh yeah, he took it.
Oh, sheep's head down there. This got it before it could get it. It's funny, I seen the sheep's head looking at it, and then it swam away, then these things came in and got it.
These spadefish, man, they're weird. Probably just playing with it. Right about there. Ah!
I just got whooped again.
They were pulling up 15 inches.
Really?
Yeah, but they were pulling them up underneath the bridge. They were just dropping it straight down.
I don't know. I think he's too small.
Definitely where they're at, though.
Yeah. Well, now I'm calling it a day.
And we're back at the house. So went ahead, put all my gear up, fixing to watch some TV, and I went ahead and cooked the Spanish mackerel, put it in an egg wash with a little bit of salt and pepper and some Old Bay, fried it up, and fixed to go ahead and eat it. And if you do me a huge favor, everybody, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.